Hello everyone. So this week it was continuation of the project of last week. So in at the starting, if I put email of a user that doesn't have customer and courier, and I try to log in, so I receive this message: there is no customer or courier account for this user. And if I choose a user email that it has only customer and it's not the courier, so I try to sign in, so it redirects me to the restaurant page, which is for the customer. There is no courier for that case. And let's log out, and if I try to log in with a user that is only courier and it has no customer account, so after login, it redirects me to the courier page. And finally, in the case that we have a user which has both customer and courier account, and I try to log in, it takes me to the account selection page. So if I choose customer, it takes me to the customer account or page. And if I log out, again log in, click on courier, it takes me to the courier page. Okay, so for the case of customer, for this week, I have added the list of restaurant from the database, and it's still filterable by the rating. And through the rating, I can filter by the price range. So it only gives me one. If I select back, it gives me all the restaurant. And if I click on each restaurant, I'm gonna have a list of all the product of that restaurant, which is a restaurant menu, and it's scrollable. If it's, you can see down, and also for the restaurant. Okay, so the next tab is order history tab. So here again, from the database, I receive all the order for the user, which is the customer that just signed in. So the order from the restaurant, the status of order, and the view. So if I click on the view, I'm gonna have a model for that view. So I designed this model, and yeah, all of this information I got from database. Can try that, give some animation for that model, and adding this close button. Okay, and the next tab is accounts tab. So it's for customer. Here I have the user email, which is only read-only, cannot modify, and customer email and the phone. So if I can update like email and also phone, make it test. Let's make this 999. And if I update account, again, account updated in the database. So if I log out and log in again, go to the account page, I'm going to see the new value for the email and phone that just updated. All right, so that's for the customer page, order history, my order, and the restaurant. And if I go to the courier page, I'm gonna have two tabs here, delivery and account. So for account, it's same as before. I'm gonna have user account here, read-only, not editable, and courier email and phone number, which is like update. I can update them. So let's update this one. Update. So I just delete the end of the email, and if I log out and log in again, go to the courier account. So I have the updated email. Now for the delivery tab, so I receive all the delivery for the user which has courier accounts. So here is order ID. Here is just the address part without postal code and city. And here is status of the order which has to be delivered. So here we have color schema for delivered green, for in progress orange, and pending red. So if I click on the delivered, it doesn't change because that order is done. If I click on in progress, so it changed to deliver, and also the color change. And for pending, one click, it turns to in progress, and if I click again, it becomes delivered. If I log out and log in again, I'm gonna see, so those status is updated in the database as well. For this case, it just fit the height of the size of the window, so it's not scrollable. If I change the view of the phone, if I go to this, I'm gonna see, yes, the list is scrollable. And I also have a view for each order. So if I click on this, I'm gonna get a modal. So this one also I designed myself. Status, it's dynamic, it's based on order. This one is delivered. So if I click on like pending one, so it's pending with the address and restaurant and the information for the order detail that has to be delivered. So go back to like this view, and yes, for the other case. All right, that was all for the project of this week. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.